How to enable Passkey on MEXC mobile app. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open MEXC on your device. Then go ahead and click on the profile icon on the top left-hand corner of the screen. You can see security. Go ahead and tap on security, and you can find Passkey at the very top. Go ahead and tap on Passkey. You can tap on add now, and you can see this option of the email verification. So what you need to do is just go ahead and open the Google Authenticator. Make sure that you have added the MEXC code. So after you have added it, you can just go ahead and find it. As soon as you find it, you can paste the Google Authenticator code, and you can just go ahead and tap on get code. And what you need to do next is go to your Gmail address registered with MEXC. So once you do that, you can find the code again. Go ahead and copy the code. Go back to your MEXC app, paste the code over here, and then you can see confirm. Go ahead and tap on confirm, wait for a while, and a passkey will be created. Go ahead and tap on continue to continue with your email address. Go ahead and click on the screen and tap on confirm. So as you can see, the passkey has been created. So this is how easy it is to create a passkey on the MEXC mobile app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.